Ever wondered how nature keeps pests in check? Meet the oxpecker. These little birds are nature's very own pest control agents. Oxpeckers feast on parasites, helping their big buddies stay healthy. But wait, they also have a cheeky side. Sometimes they cause irritation. These birds alert their rhino friends to danger, acting as lookout buddies. Oxpeckers and rhinos share a unique bond, a true partnership in nature. Their teamwork helps maintain the balance of their ecosystem. So next time you see an oxpecker, remember their vital role in nature. If you love learning about nature, don't forget to subscribe for more.